Caring for the physically challenged and elderly people. In this module, you will understand how to be kind towards the physically challenged and elderly people.
Caring for the challenged, elderly and physically challenged. God has gifted us with a wonderful body. Each part of our body performs a specific function. Life can be very difficult if one part of our body does not function properly. Physically challenged people. People who are unable to use a particular part of their body are called physically challenged or differently abled people. Some people cannot see. They are called blind. Some are totally blind, while some are partially blind. Blind people use a special system to read and write. It is called Braille. It is a form of script with raised dots. People who cannot see can feel the raised letters on the paper with their fingers. Some people cannot hear at all. They are called deaf. Some people have difficulty in hearing. They use hearing aids to hear properly. Some people are unable to speak. They are called dumb. They communicate with a special sign language. It helps them to express themselves and understand what others are saying. Caring for physically challenged people. Always help them. Never make fun of them. Never let them feel depressed. Treat them like other people and let them live with dignity. Take out some time for them and read books and magazines to them. Be friendly to them. There are many organizations which help physically challenged people. Be a part of these organizations to help them. Looking after elderly people. Our elders become slow and physically weak with age. Elderly people have poor vision and are not able to hear properly. They need our love, support and affection. We should always love and respect elderly people. We should always help them. We should spend some time with them. We should take them to the doctor when they are sick or unwell. We should go for a walk with them. We should read newspapers or magazines to them. We should never hurt their feelings.
Let's recap. People who are unable to use a particular part of their body are called physically challenged or differently abled people. We should be kind to the physically challenged people and support them to live a dignified life. Our elders become physically weak with age, thus we should take care of them.